Which basketball team am I supporting in the background up there? Go and comment down below. And after that, let's go and take a look at histograms, where we look at how to display some data. And here we go. Today we are looking at histograms. Histograms and another way to look at data sets. So, or data displays, I should perhaps say. So how can we go and show all the data that we have? Well, a couple things that we need to know about a histogram. First off, it has equal interval sizes. So it has equal interval sizes. And this will make sense in a second when we start drawing them. And they basically, the height, so the y-axis, so the height, which is the y-axis, I like using those words because you eventually start using them quite a bit in math. So the y-axis is equal to the frequency. So it's kind of like the total number, a tally chart, if you will. And what's the last thing you guys need to know? There's no space, no spaces. So that means that the bars are touching. That is one of the things that you guys need to know for histograms. Okay, so those are the kind of the nitty-gritty stuff. Let's just get to an example, shall we? So here's our example. We're gonna dress up. I don't know. Should we have somebody come in? Dress up math bear? Nah. We're talking about t-shirt sales. So we're taking a look at t-shirt sales, and actually maybe not t-shirt sales. Maybe a t-shirt. We'll say ownership in a math class. So how many t-shirts does every student own in a math class? So we're going to go and make our little chart. So here's our chart. And just so you guys know, this is the x-axis. And over here is the y-axis. And as I said, that is going to be the frequency. So this is the frequency. Let's see if I can actually write upside down sideways. Actually, I'm doing pretty good here. Frequent. I should just turn my tablet around. It'll be easier. Now that's the frequency. And here are the t-shirts. Okay. So how many t-shirts there are? So number. I should probably say number of t-shirts. And the interval that we're going to be using, remember the interval has to be the same. So we're going to use 1 to 4. We're going to use using that. Then it's going to be, next one's going to be 5 to 8. We're going to use 9 to 12. And we'll use 13. We're going to remove 13 to 16 and 17 to 20. Let's go and extend those lines there a little bit. I think it was an orange line. Was it an orange line? Yep, it was. So there we go. And our frequency is going to go up by 2s. I'm going to go up by 2s all the way to 14. So all the way to 14. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Okay, so let's go and draw our bars. So from 1 to 4, there were 3 students. So 3 students own an average of 1 to 4 t-shirts. Okay. How many students had 5 to 8 t-shirts? Well, 5 to 8, there was 6 of them. So 6 of them. And maybe just so there was 6 there and there's 3 here. So that. How many students owned 9 to 12? 9 to 12 t-shirts. That was pretty popular. That was 13. So 13. So there's some things you want to be noticing is that my bars are touching. And now 13 to 16, nobody owned 13 to 16, but there were some students there were 4 students that did own 17 to 20. So even though, so this is interesting, right? So even though there was nobody that had 13 to 16, then you would still leave a blank space there. Okay, so that's how you would go and set up your histogram. So the number of t-shirts, the frequency is there, things are touching, and there you go. Now you can use this histogram to go and answer some questions that you might want to go and answer. And there you go, histograms. Hopefully you guys are supporting the same team as I am. If not, tell me why below. Who do you support? Who is your favorite team? Until next time, have a great day.